everyone, welcome to harisystems. Today I'm going to explain you something about how to improve Python coding skills quickly and fast way using generative AI like ChatGPT tools to using improving skills I'm sharing with you. So what the best way to learn coding skills? Yes, I strongly suggest you to start learning Python using any one of generative AI tools. For example, ChatGPT and Google Bard AI, Gemini AI, Copilot AI. In the same way, many other AI tools are possibly available in market. So want to learn Python in a fast way to improving coding skills quickly and mastering the skills. Yes, it's highly possible to start learning any of the programming language, but this lecture I'm going to share with you Python. So how to learn Python in a quick way and a faster way than others? Yes. For example, I am suggesting and choosing one single AI example, that is an Open AI, ChatGPT. The 3.5 version, you could create your own free account. There is no requirement of service charges or licenses are not needed. In this Python, having an account, you just try to make a prompt. So making a prompting like how to learn Python in a quick way and how to make master in the skills of coding, you just type and get the information using this generative AI tool. Using this generative AI tool to understand a step-by-step process to how to installation of Python. Getting of Python, installing Python is the best way for beginners. And I strongly recommend you which operating system you most comfortable. It might be Windows, it might be Linux or Mac or any other operating system you feel comfortable. Yes, start using such an operating system. Python is absolutely perfectly will works any of the platforms of these operating systems. And also you may check it, python.org is in a website where Python will support. Comfortably you check, download freely, install in your computer machine or laptop. And strongly remember, download any one of coding editor. This is a highly required. So coding editor is might be like PyCharm, Anaconda, like PyTorch, any of editors. I strongly recommend you, if you are already comfortable with any of the coding editor, anyone, yes, you can use it. And when you comfortably and making writing of the skills of welcome program to start how to run Python, getting this step and then immediately variables, how to learn, how to step-by-step process, what the rules you have to make by creating variables, these are essential. Once these things are completed, you have to step into the next steps of course curriculum way, like if-else statements, decision making, for loops, functions, this way. All these steps you will get from this OpenAI using generative AI prompting techniques. So how it is super easy for you comfortably coding when it is simple and easy. You may thought it, by using generative AI, I can get simply and easy way. No. Coding when you are comfortable making more and more practice, then only you will get more excitement on coding. So strongly remember, using these generative AI techniques to making a master in Python. I strongly believe you start today by learning and practicing this ChatGPT or any other AI to learning Python step-by-step process to you reach are making a real world projects. Yes, don't you? Start today.